Insurance stock. Fire insurance policy. Fire insurance policy can be purchased to cover your building, plant and machinery or stocks. The perils that are covered under standard fire and special perils policy are fire, lightning, explosion, aircraft damage, riot, strike, malicious damage, storm, cyclone, tempest, hurricane, tornado, flood, impact damage, subsidence and landslide including rock slide, bursting and or overflowing of water tanks, apparatus and pipes, missile testing operations generally conducted by government authorities, leakage from automatic sprinkler installation, bushfire. Now in detail. Policy will cover loss due to fire, but will not cover loss due to destruction or damage by its own fermentation, natural heating or spontaneous combustion. If it is undergoing any heating or drying process, policy will not cover burning of property insured by order of any public authority. It will cover lightning. Policy will cover explosion, implosion. That is an instance of collapsing violently inward, but will not cover loss, destruction of or damage to boiler other than domestic, as commercial boilers can be covered by separate policy. Economizer, a device designed to make a machine or system more efficient, or other vessels, machinery or apparatus in which steam is generated or their contents resulting from the own explosion, implosion. It will not cover loss caused by centrifugal tending to move from a center. It will cover aircraft damage, loss, destruction or damage caused by aircraft, other aerials or space device and articles dropped therefrom, but will not cover loss caused by pressure walls, waves that move in the same direction as the vibration, riots, strike, malicious damage means done intentional, loss of visible physical damage or destruction by external violent means directly caused to the property insured, but excluding those caused by total or partial cessation, that is process of ending or being brought to an end of work, or the retardation, that is delaying or slowing down the progress or interruption or cessation of means process of ending any process or operation or omission of any kind, permanent or temporary disposition resulting from confiscation, seizure, commandeering, that is to take possession or control, requisition, that is by official order laying claim to the use of property or materials, or destruction by order of the government or any lawful constituted authority. Permanent or temporary disposition of any building or plant or unit of machinery resulting from the unlawful occupation by any persons of such building, plant, unit, machinery, or prevention of access to the same, burglary, housebreaking, theft, larceny, that is also means theft, or any such attempt or any omission that is left out or excluded of any kind of any person, whether or not such act is committed in the course of disturbance of public peace in any malicious, that is by done intentionally. We had described 5 rules out of 12. Rest in forthcoming video. Thank you.